Pig farming, also known as piggery farming in Nigeria, is a lucrative agribusiness with a high demand for pork meat both locally and internationally. Due to its profitability, many entrepreneurs are venturing into piggery production in Nigeria. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know, from setting up a piggery farm in Nigeria to drafting a piggery farming business plan and understanding the best breeds of pigs in Nigeria. Why start a pig farming business in Nigeria? High demand for pork meat and related products. Fast growth and reproduction rate of pigs. High return on investment compared to other livestock farming. Opportunity for export. Utilization of agricultural waste for feeding pigs. Step-by-step guide to starting a piggery farm in Nigeria. 1. Conduct market research. Before starting your piggery farming business plan, research the demand and supply chain for pork in your target market. Identify potential customers such as restaurants, hotels, and individual buyers. 2. Choose a suitable location. The farm should be located in an area with adequate space and good drainage. Ensure access to clean water. Maintain a distance from residential areas to control odor and waste management issues. 3. Develop a business plan for piggery farming. A well-structured business plan for piggery farming will help you secure funding and provide direction. Your pig's business plan should include an executive summary, market analysis, operational plan, financial projections, and a risk management plan. 4. Select the best breeds of pigs in Nigeria. Choosing the right breed is crucial for profitability. Common breeds of pigs in Nigeria include large white fast-growing and highly reproductive, landrace, excellent for meat production, Duroc high-quality meat with good disease resistance, and Hampshire known for efficient feed conversion. 5. Construct pig pens and housing. Provide proper ventilation and spacing to avoid overcrowding. Construct pens with durable materials to prevent escapes. Ensure proper waste management to maintain hygiene. Proper nutrition is key to maximizing production. Pig feed includes maize, groundnut cake, soybean meal, cassava peels, and supplemented vitamins and minerals. To ensure profitable piggery farming in Nigeria, take the following health measures. Vaccinate pigs against diseases such as swine fever and pneumonia. Maintain a clean farm environment. Quarantine sick pigs to prevent disease spread. To generate profit from your piggery farm, consider supplying pork to butcheries, hotels, and supermarkets. You can also sell live pigs to local farmers and wholesalers or export processed pork to international markets. Challenges of piggery farming in Nigeria include the high cost of feed disease outbreaks, limited access to funding, and poor infrastructure in rural farming areas. Frequently asked questions, FAQ. How do I start a piggery farm in Nigeria? Start by conducting research, drafting a business plan for piggery production, selecting the right breeds, building pig housing, and implementing a proper feeding and health management system. Is pig farming profitable in Nigeria? Yes. Piggery farming for beginners can be highly profitable due to the high demand for pork and fast reproduction rates of pigs. What are the best breeds of pigs for commercial farming? The best breeds of pigs in Nigeria include large white landrace Duroc and Hampshire. Where can I sell my pigs in Nigeria? You can sell your pigs to hotel, supermarkets, butchers, and even export processed pork to international markets. Do I need a business plan for a piggery farm? Yes. A business plan on piggery farming helps you secure funding and properly plan your operations. Starting a farm business in Nigeria, like pig farming, is a smart investment. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can establish a profitable piggery farming business. Conduct thorough research, follow best farming practices, and market your pigs effectively. For more farming tips and to purchase quality farm inputs, visit FarmPays.